See this prototype I just created with Claude Design. It's a premium landing page for an AI CRM automation tool, and this was made from just a simple prompt. Anthropic just launched something that could completely change website design forever. With Claude Design, you can now type one prompt and generate full premium websites in minutes. In fact, after the launch, even Figma stock reportedly dropped, which shows how powerful this could become. It even adds animation, 3D visuals, and professional UI automatically. And the best part, you can export these prototypes into HTML code and turn them into real working websites. So in this video, I am testing how powerful Claude Design really is for website creation. So let's get started. So now I am inside Claude, and on the left sidebar you will see the new design option. It feels like a complete AI design studio. For first demo, I am creating a website prototype and naming it SaaS landing page. I will choose high fidelity for better results. Then open the studio workspace. Now I asked Claude to build a premium dark theme SaaS landing page for an AI CRM automation platform. The idea was simple: to create a futuristic website for a tool that manages leads, WhatsApp follow-ups, sales pipeline, and customer support automatically. I also added instruction for smooth animation, glowing effects, 3D dashboard elements, bold layout, pricing section, testimonials, and high-end model style. Before building the website, now Claude first asked a few smart questions to understand the brand properly. It asked for a product name, accent color, overall vibe, hero section style, and what section should be included on the page. It also asked how interactive the website should feel, what custom tweaks were needed, and what brand tone the copy should follow. So once I answered those questions, Claude used that information to build a fully customized landing page that already feels smarter than most normal website builder. And instantly, Claude started building the full website in real time. It planned the structure, designed each section, added animation, created dashboard visuals, and built everything. And yes, the website is now ready. Let me show you the final result. See this. The entire website uses a sleek dark theme with deep black background, soft shadows, glass style cards, and glowing green accents that makes every section feel futuristic and premium. At the top, it created a premium hero section with a bold headline. Alongside that, it designed a floating 3D dashboard, mock-up showing chats, leads, CRM panels. It's amazing. It instantly gives a website a funded startup feel. The typography looks sharp and elegant, while the subtle animation and clean spacing gives it a luxury SaaS feel. And Claude also gives a smart tweaks panel. You can see this. Here you can instantly change the darkness level of background. You can see it is very minor, but it has from soft dark grey to deep premium black. It also includes the currency switcher with USD, Euro, and INR for pricing table. You can see this. So instantly, for editing manually, you can customize the whole website live in seconds. That makes Claude feel more like a real web designer than just an AI tool. Also, it added a trusted brand logo strip with companies like Linear, Notion, Vassal, Ramp, and Loom to build social proof. Then it created a future section with a headline followed by the multiple visually rich cards. One card shows AI lead scoring with a progress bar and clean data visuals. Another shows WhatsApp app replies inside a realistic chat interface. Then there is the pipeline automation section with glowing stages and smart movement between deals. It also builds a routing system with connected flow lines and modern graph visuals. And another card shows customer support AI solving tickets with docs and response metrics. Further below, it added a full product showcase dashboard with tabs like leads, WhatsApp, pipeline, and support, making it feel like a real product demo. Then Claude created a clean how it works section, elegant pricing table, and a strong final CTA. Honestly, the dark theme, glowing green color, animations, and dashboard visuals makes this look like a real next generation startup website. Do you like it? Let me know in comments. Here you can also get a design file of your whole website UI. You can see this. You can get HTML codes and everything. Also, you can directly interact with Claude by commenting, by editing, by drawing, like this way. Also, it gives us the three kind of showcase of preview, particular in this tab, full screen or new tab. And the final one is the share option. You can share it with your teammates. They can comment. Also, you can make it private. Also, you can export the code data and the file in zip, in PDF, in PPT, in Canva. It's so customizable. Also, in HTML, the whole code you can download in HTML. It is truly amazing. So now let's create another website and taste how versatile Claude Design really is. For this demo, I wanted something completely different from the SaaS website. So this time I asked Claude to create a luxury real estate website for ultra modern villas and penthouses. I selected again high fidelity, opened the studio workspace, added the prompt and hit run. The prompt I'm giving is to make a premium light theme property website with realistic villa visuals, smooth animations, elegant layouts, and high-end luxury feel. And instantly, Claude started working on the project. I'm just skipping the waiting part. Now let's see what kind of website it created. The whole website, you can see this, the whole website uses a clean light luxury theme with a soft cream background, elegant black typography, refined spacing, and rich editorial magazine style layout. Instead of looking like a normal property website, it feels like browsing a luxury lifestyle brand. It feels like that. And this one is the smartest feature Claude adds, the tick panel. Again, here is also it has added. See this right inside the website preview, Claude gives you a live control to customize the design instantly without rebuilding anything. As you can see here, you can change the full color palette with options like this way. You can switch the display font between tiles to completely change the luxury branding feels. Like this way, you can change the fonts. There is also a layout density option where you can choose compact, editorial, or spacious depending on the style you want. Claude even gives advanced touches like turning on a brass cursor glow effect. And if you want, you can directly edit the main headline text live from the panel. So instead of prompting again and again, you can visually customize the entire website in seconds. That is where Claudes feel less like an AI tool and more like a real designer sitting beside you. Now let's see the website. The hero section opens with the powerful line "houses that remember," followed by a cinematic copywriting that says emotion, not just property. Claude then added a premium statistic, making the brand feel elite and exclusive. Below that, it created a manifesto kind of section explaining their philosophy. Then it builds a beautiful portfolio section. Each property includes elegant pricing, suites count, square footage, and premium description. For the below, Claude added a storytelling section, making users imagine living there. It also created testimonials. And the final footer keeps the same refined premium identity throughout. So yeah, that was Claude Design building full websites from simple prompts. And the best part is, after creating these prototypes, you can export them in HTML formats, use that code and turn them into a real working website. So with one prompt, you are not just getting a concept, you are getting a base of high-end website ready to launch. And honestly, this is still just a beginning. That's all for this video. If you want, I can make a full detailed tutorial on how to use Claude Design step by step. So stay connected. Make sure to like, subscribe and share this video with someone who actually building something like this. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.